Do you want to get a job? Do you want to communicate with the foreigners? Do you want to upgrade yourself? If you really want, then obviously you have to know English language. Then obviously you have to speak in English language. Hello everyone, good morning to all of you. How are you all? I hope that you can't complain. I also couldn't be better. So you can see this is speaking Minsor in front of you, and as you know, I'm a public speaker as well as an English content creator. So I practice my English daily to get my fluency and to boost my confidence. So my friends, in today's video, I want to share with you an important topic, that is the importance of English language. I mean how English language can change our entire life. But I want to start this topic with a quick story. You know, my friends, 1 year ago, one of my friends, close friend, got rejected from his dream job interview. You know why? Not because he wasn't talented, not because he wasn't smart, only because he couldn't speak in English language. That's why he got rejected from his dream job. But later, he worked upon it, he learned English language, and in today's world, he is working in multinational company with a good salary. Do you know what is the reason? It's only the power of English language. You know, my friends, when we are primary school or intermediate school, we thought English is the only a subject, not more than. But now we can understand English is not only a subject, it's a powerful skill, it's a powerful tool that can change our entire life, that can give us confidence. That is the bridge between the success and failure. So my friends, there are 3 or 4 slides through which I will show you the importance of English language. Imagine, my friend, you are in an interview and the interviewer asks you some question in English language and you answer fluently with a smile. That means immediately you make a strong impression. But what about the others who can't speak in English language? They are getting rejection not because they are less talented, not because they are not smart, only because they can't express their thought, their emotion, their ideas. And you know, my friends, second one is that it also connects us with the entire world. How? Think you are traveling to another country, maybe you don't know their local language and they also don't know your language. So how will you communicate with them? You can't communicate with them and they also can't communicate with you. But English is the only language through which you can communicate with them and they can communicate with you. And third one is that it also gives us access to knowledge. You have seen, guys, most of the books in today's world and websites and research paper and technology are in English language. And you want to learn artificial intelligence and digital marketing. But you need best resources for learning artificial intelligence and digital marketing. But you don't know English language. So how it is possible for you to identify which one is the best resources for you? Because all the resources in today's world are in English language. So for identifying the best resources, you have to know the English language. Only through the English language you can identify which one is the best resources for you. You know, my friends, learning English means adding wings to your dream. So my friends, if you found this video helpful and impactful for your English journey, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe MS Spoken English channel.